A fine reward is offered for the return of a slave woman, stolen or absconded from the house of Marius Dolabella. Under the protection of Pompey Magnus and Julius Caesar, Senate sits tomorrow. Be aware. No disorder will be tolerated.
That was lovely timing. 2 stallions have come to Rome today.
Of course. How childish of me. You want the horse.
I do. But don't be sullen now. This was not a hardship for me. I've always found something perversely erotic about goaty little men. I've bought a horse.
Have you?
The best horse in Rome, by all accounts.
I'm very happy for you.
That's a gift for your great uncle. I want you to take the animal to Gaul and give it to him in person.
Why?
Well, when he's back in Rome, everyone will be giving him gifts. We must be first.
I doubt he will return to Rome anytime soon. The Senate's hostility will prevent him. Legally speaking, it is not clear.
Please don't start speaking legally. You know how it bores me.
It's a long way to Gaul.
Exactly. While yet a mere boy, you would risk your life to honor your beloved great-uncle. You ride into Caesar's camp alone on a noble white stallion. Well, that's a gift he won't soon forget.
Alone?
Well, you have plenty of slaves. You'll be perfectly safe. And you'll make your mama very proud and happy. Silly baby brother. Everything will be all right. Is he not perfect? Proper little soldier. He's scared. Nonsense. Roman men are never scared. He's just sad to be leaving his mama. You're not scared, are you, Octavian? No, of course you're not. Time flies. Give me a kiss, my love. Mwah. Andros, bring him back safe, or I'll use the eyes of your children for beads.
Lyco, the horse. Not too expensive, I hope.
I'm sorry, sir. The horse was sold already. To Attia of the Julii.
Attia?
She's sending it to Gaul. A gift for Caesar.
Damn him! Must he have everything? As you are going to be in Gaul anyway, I might kill 2 birds with 1 stone.